If you know that few months ago Instagram has announced its subscription bundle called Meta Verified, where creators on Instagram can get a blue check by paying a monthly subscription amount of around $15. But now the problem is that we don't know who has the real verified account and who has the fake or subscribed blue check account. But today in this video, I'm going to tell you one secret trick through which you can identify who has the real verified account and who has not. So let's start with the video. To know about the real verified account, we have to go to the user profile and check his followers. If it's real verified account, you would only able to see 50 followers, not more than that. And if it's a fake or subscribed blue check account, you will be able to see all the followers. So with this trick, you can know who has the real verified account and who has not. If you like this trick, share with your friends and let them know about this trick too. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.